Hi, and welcome to NicheCraft. My name is Cassie, and I'm your host, and I am about to pick 3 winners for this 4th of July giveaway. So it was only open to people who lived in the United States, and one of these prizes is a little bit different than the others, and that's the one with this Cotton King in it. So I've decided that the way I am going to pick who wins the Cotton King is whoever is the first of the winners to get a hold of me, okay, that person will win the Cotton King. And then the next people will get the other 2 projects. And, you know, they all have the same Notions pouch, and they're all very great packages. It's just that this one has that Cotton Kings, which might be a little bit more attractive to some people. So I'm over here on the YouTube comment picker, the YouTube random comment picker here. It generates a winner completely randomly. I do not have any control over it, except I did put in the YouTube video URL, which is the one that corresponds to my giveaway. I filtered out duplicate users, 1 entry per person. And I went ahead and excluded myself because I know that I commented back on some of your replies. And, let's see. And I put remove winner from the list after draw. That way, when it draws the second and the third, then it will exclude the first person who won. So I am going to find out how many YouTube comments there are. I did have to solve this math problem to prove that I am not a robot. So let's see how many of you guys entered. Okay, so 310 people entered. All right. So I am really, really excited about starting this raffle. Okay, so here is the first winner. The first winner is Serenity. Congratulations, Serenity, for being the first winner. Thank you for your channel and your great giveaway. I love your video on how to crochet the primrose stitch. Very helpful. Thank you so much. And all you have to do is email me. I'll give full instructions at the end, okay? So now I am going to pick another winner. Patricia Fairfield. Congratulations, Patricia. Hi, Cassie. I just watched your midsummer giveaway video. I liked how everything was healthy. This is another beautiful giveaway. I love all the red, white, and blue, and that there will be 3 winners. Thank you, Cassie, for all of the effort you put into your giveaways and for everything else you do. Hope you have a great day. I'm having a really good day today. Thank you. And I am so glad that you guys like the giveaway bundles that I put together. It's really fun to put them together. So, Patricia, you're going to also have to contact me. I will give directions on that at the very end. I need to pick 1 more winner. Karen Dodge. Hey Cassie, very nice to give away. Thank you for doing it. I hope that whatever you have planned for the 4th of July is nothing but fun. I have a grandson who will be 4 on July 3rd and 1 who will be 8 on July 4th. So our celebration will turn into a dual celebration. Thank you for all of your content. I really enjoy it. P.S. Thank you, Dee, from Dee's Creative Hands Crochet, for shouting out Cassie. She deserves more subscribers. And yes, thank you, Dee. I really, really appreciate it. All right, so those of you who won, okay, what I need for you guys to do is to send me an email with a mailing address where you can accept mail, okay? And my email is going to be located both in the description. If you click on more, you'll be able to see my full description. Or you can find it by looking at my pinned comment, okay? And my email address is nichecraftwithcassie@gmail.com, but you're going to probably need to check just to make sure you get the spelling correct. So the first one of you guys who sends me an email will be the one who gets that Cotton King cake. Alright, guys? Thank you so much for watching this video. Um, Please don't forget to congratulate the winners. And if you are disappointed for not winning, no worries. I am going to have many, many giveaways. I always have one going on. And all you have to do is keep entering, and eventually you just might win. I will see you with another video soon. Bye for now.